So I just had this client on a cornerstone program of ours. It's the ultimate business breakthrough experience, just a short 2.5 hour workshop. And this entrepreneur, they've been in business for quite some time, doing $36 million a year in revenue. And their biggest challenge is competition. Now they're selling based on price, and that's causing them a problem in the profit margins. But they said, and by the way, I hear this one all the time. If I could just get in front of them, if we can get in front of our ideal clients, we do really well. Like getting in front of them is a challenge. So after 2.5 hours, $250, what do you find out as the single most valuable thing for him? He can grow quicker, faster, and easier by using centers of influence. That's right. He said 20%, $7.2 million increase if all he ever did was master the art of finding those upriver. You see, maybe not a competitor, maybe it's an indirect competitor, or maybe it's a completely different service, but they already took the time to market and build affiliation with them. Build some kind of fundamental rapport through maybe offering services already that if they referred to him and his services would grease the skids, make life super easy, and he'd be happy to spiff out on that left and right. Centers of influence are stronger than you think. In fact, data shows that of the population, 8% is influenced, the other 89%. So who or what company or what environment has already got the huddled masses? Find those huddled masses, find the leader inside that huddled masses. You might strike it rich super fast. If you want some more insight on this, I got a little write-up on it. It's an ideal client blueprint. Just click the link below and I'll send that your way, no cost. See you on the inside.